In this video, I'll guide you through how to manually add one contact to Surveymonkey. Whether you're managing a small project or just need to update your contact list, adding contacts individually can be a handy skill. Let's get started with this simple process. First, open your preferred web browser and go to surveymonkey.com. This is the main page of Surveymonkey, a widely used tool for creating surveys and collecting responses. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not, you'll be prompted to do so. Once you're logged in, you'll notice your profile icon located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that icon. After clicking on your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, look for and select the option labeled Contacts. This section is your go-to place for managing all the people you plan to include in your survey distributions. It's a powerful feature that helps keep your contact data organized and easily accessible. Once you're in the Contacts section, look for a button that says Add Single Contact. Go ahead and click on it. This option allows you to manually input information for one individual at a time, which is perfect for those instances when you have just a single new contact to add. Now, you'll be prompted to enter the contact information. This includes the first name, last name, and email address of the person you wish to add. Be sure to double check these details for accuracy. A small typo in the email address, for example, could mean that your surveys won't reach the intended recipient. So take a moment to ensure everything is correct before moving on. Once you've entered the necessary information, the final step is to click on the Add Contacts button. This action will save the new contact to your list, making them ready to receive any surveys you choose to send their way. Congratulations, you've successfully added a contact to Surveymonkey. Remember, managing your contacts effectively can greatly enhance your survey distribution process. Keeping your list up to date ensures that your surveys reach the right people. And adding contacts manually is a quick and efficient way to manage small changes or additions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Feel free to like, comment, or subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy surveying!